Hey guys, how's it going? Got a pretty cool horn battle coming up today. Now this is an old cast P01235. This is a new cast P01235. Both of the PO bells on these horns are old cast. So this isn't a fully new cast horn. This PO though, the old cast versus the new cast POs, they are tuned the same, so they sound the same. So both identical sounding horns. So new cast versus old cast PO, it doesn't matter. So anyway, big sound difference. They both sound great. I think I like the old cast better, but the new cast sounds really good. Now this is a low profile manifold, whereas this is a gull wing or a high mount manifold. It's just your two different manifolds the P horns have. They both look great. So anyway, I've got this one painted up black and white. This one's just bare aluminum. So anyway, let me know which one you like better in the comments below. They both give each other a good run for the money, but I think the old cast is better. So anyway, this is the old cast P01235 versus the new cast P01235.